So guys, as you can see, I'm with a phone. Okay, that's because I want to share with you some basic ideas or some basic strategy that you can actually implement in order to make money online with your phone. Okay, so so many people have been doing this thing and they have been seeing results. I myself have equally been doing it and I have been seeing results. And in today's video, I don't want to take you over to my screen, neither do I want to walk you through a step-by-step guide tutorial process. No, I just want to tell you some basic thing you can actually do from the comfort of your home without spending money by simply utilizing your mobile phone. And this thing works 100%. Anyone from anywhere in the world can actually do this thing. Your geographical location is not a problem. Your age, your gender, your race is not a problem. You can do this thing apparently from any location or from any country, whoever you are. And this thing is a proven strategy that can earn you money consistently over and over again. Okay, so what are we actually going to talk about today in this video is basically language translation. Okay, I've made a video about it and I still want to talk to you one-on-one so that you believe me the more, because I believe when you're looking to me directly straight to my eyeball, you will have enough reason to be convinced of what I'm actually explaining or telling you. Okay, so I did a video where I showed you the step-by-step procedures on how to go about this thing, language translation, making money from language translation, and people have been doing it. I have done it and I've seen results, so you can equally do it in order to see results as well. So do not be a doubting Thomas, because the basic or the key success to making money online is basically taking action. If after you learn a strategy, let the strategy be $1 million worth strategy, and at the end of the day you didn't actually take action, I'm betting you there will not be success, there will not be any result for you. You have to take action. Okay, take example from my own case. When I started creating YouTube content, then nothing was coming forth, no subscribers, no view, no contact, nobody was watching my video, but I kept on doing this thing, I kept on taking action, I kept on doing more research, but as time goes on, I started seeing results. So you have to put in the work first before you start expecting results. Even if you are doing your physical business, you equally need to take action first before you start expecting results. So same is applicable to the online world, same is applicable to the online business. Taking action is the key step to success. You must take action before you start expecting success. Okay, so guys, before I take you deeper as to how you can actually utilize your phone to make money, let me briefly introduce myself before I proceed. My name is Daniel Anthony. I happen to be an online entrepreneur. I teach people how to make money. I happen to be a financial expert. Let me use that word. I teach people basically how to make money online, share you tips and strategies, and you can easily get in touch with me. I'm not that kind of teacher that will tell you that, hey, I don't share WhatsApp contact line with people. No, I share WhatsApp contact line with people. Check out this video description below. In there you find my WhatsApp contact line. You can even give me a direct call. I have my emails in there in this video description below, and I equally have all of my other social media handles in there, because I'm not only available on YouTube, I'm equally available on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, even on TikTok. I'm equally available on TikTok, so you can check me out on any of the social media platforms out there. You can get in touch with me on WhatsApp, and you can even give me a direct call, because I have my direct call line in this video description below as well. So what am I actually going to share today is basically language translation. So many people are making money by simply translating language. In that video, I actually made use of Upwork. Okay, Upwork happens to be a freelancing platform. So if you're a freelancer, if you haven't heard about freelancing, freelancers are making money. Okay, freelancing happens to be one of the easiest way to actually make money. Yes, because there are people out there looking for people that have already acquired a digital skill. So what is freelancing? If I'm to tell you what freelancing is basically acquiring a digital skill. Okay, let's take example for my own self. I happen to be a video editor and I have a lot of clients that I actually work with. I can show you proof. You can check out Nolly Glamour TV. It's a YouTube channel as well. That YouTube channel, I am the one that edits all of the video on that YouTube channel, and I am the one that optimizes that YouTube channel. I manage that YouTube channel full time, and the YouTube channel is not mine. This is the only active and running YouTube channel I have, Daniel Anthony, where I tutor people how to make money online. But I equally manage YouTube channels for clients, okay? And I don't do it for free. I'm making money from it. They pay me money to do it. So you can equally take advantage of the same thing. And so as well, people need language translators, maybe for videos or for whatsoever. It could be for script or anything at all. You can check out Fiverr, you can check out Upwork, you can check out the video. I'll be dropping the video description link in this below. In that video I shared how you can even earn up to $2,000 plus on a monthly basis by basically translating words or by basically translating languages for people. You can translate from English to Spanish, you can translate from Spanish to French, you can translate from French to Dutch, you can translate from Portuguese to Latin. Okay, people are doing this thing, and you can use Google Translator. Google Translator happens to be a free tool out out there that you can take good advantage of to make this money. Yes, you might ask me, hey, don't they know Google Translator? Why can't they just pick up Google Translator and do the translation themselves? Listen carefully. English is a limited language. Don't think English is a popular language. If we are to rate by percentage in the world, it is only at least 30% of countries in the world that speaks English. Yes, but other countries out there that don't know how to speak English, but they do business with English clients, they would like people that understand how to translate or that knows how to translate English words to their languages to do this thing for them. And if you happen to be somebody that knows about Google Translator, or you happen to be someone who knows how to translate language with Google Translator, you can jump over to this freelancing platform like Upwork. On several locations I've tutored about Upwork freelancing platform. You can jump over to Upwork and take advantage of Upwork. Yes, if you are doubting me, visit upwork.com, search on language translation. Upwork don't lie. Upwork happens to be a very reputable freelancing platform. I've tested them. I've been on Upwork for like 2-3 years now, and I know how they work. Upwork will show you Upwork will show you results of people that are into language translation or people that does language translation. And that's not only what they will show you. They equally show you the total jobs that they have completed on their platform. And that's not only what they will show you as well. They will show you the total amount they have earned doing this thing, doing basically language translation, just to translate language from one language to another. You send it back to the client as a script. Then that's how you get paid. And the payment system is highly secured. You don't think maybe, hey Daniel, what if I do this job and then at the end of the day this client refuses to pay me? No, that's not how Upwork works. Upwork have a very secured payment system that will first of all help you hold your money. They will take the money from the client, then before you start doing this job, then after you might have completed the job and submit the job to the client, then if the client confirms the job approved, Upwork will automatically release your money for you. So it's very simple. I'm not taking you through any step-by-step tutorial guide. I'm just sharing a tip that you can actually do, and you can do this thing with your phone. If you doubt me, visit Google Translator. I'll be dropping the resource link in this video description below as well, so that you can visit Google Translator. You will learn everything. That video, I'll be dropping the link in this video description below. You equally learn how to do this thing. I've already done a video tutorial that will guide you through the basic steps, even how to create an account with Upwork based on language translation or writing and translation. In that video, I equally showed you how to utilize Google Translator. You can translate as much as 5,000 words or more on just a single page with Google Translator. Yes, and some clients will not even give you scripts to translate that is even up to 5,000 words. And you can find thousands of jobs to actually apply for on Upwork. So don't take this for granted. I don't talk much. I don't, try to convince you. I don't try to convince people or trying to get you to believe me or whatsoever. I don't care. No, if you don't believe me, you can forget about it. But if you believe me, take my word for it and take action based on my word. You will actually see results. I started this thing like a joke, this make money online thing, the whole process. I started like a joke, like play, but as time goes on, I started seeing results. If I'm to show you my WhatsApp, you will be surprised. DMs every here and there, people contacting me for business, for jobs. I even bounce some. I don't even take some. So I know you might not believe me, but I don't care. But on a very good day, I'll keep on showing you more results. But for those of you that believes me, I love you and I so much appreciate you. And don't give up, okay? I'm begging you, please don't give up. At the end of the day, you will celebrate, okay? We will celebrate together someday. There's a video I made not quite long, that was last year. In that video, I told you guys that 2023 is going to be for giveaways. I haven't forgotten. Giveaways is still coming. I know my audience. I know the active ones. I know the ones that always check up on me. Even when I was sick, there was a particular audience. She's from Cameroon. Her name is Vanessa. I don't know if you're watching this video right now, Vanessa. She noticed that I was sick. I don't even know how she noticed. She told me, she saw my picture that I posted on Twitter. She even told me, hey Daniel, it's like you're sick. This is not your real stature that I know you with. Yes, I told her that I'm sick. She kind of checked up on me till the time I felt very much better. So guys, I know those of you that are highly caring, those of you that always watch my content whenever I publish them, so be expecting giveaways. I will not tell you to do any tax to qualify for the giveaway. No. You are just going to get right into the giveaway by luck or by chance. So guys, this way I just have to quickly wrap up the video. Do not forget, language translation can make you thousands of dollars if you are serious with it, or if you will take action based on the video. I'll be dropping the link in this video description below that you will watch. Okay, so for now I just have to call it a wrap on this video. Until we meet again guys, I love you all. Bye bye for now and peace.